Hey folks, this is Derek and Alex from Live to Play Sports. We're the distributors of DeHaan folding bikes here in Canada. Today we wanted to show you how to size your DeHaan folding bike so it fits you properly. A properly fitted bike will be more comfortable and efficient and can save you from all sorts of discomfort during the ride. So let's get to it. There are 3 steps you need to know to make sure your folding bike is fitted to you properly. Number 1, adjust the saddle. Once you have the saddle to approximately the right height, throw a leg over the bike and sit down with your heels on the pedals. You should just be able to extend your leg to a fully locked position with your heel on the pedal. This way, when you pedal normally, with the ball of your foot on the pedal, you'll have about a 30-degree bend in your knee, which is ideal for efficiency and comfort. Here's a tip. If you mark the seat post with a permanent marker at the correct height, you'll have a baseline to start with every time. Next, adjust the ride height. Ideal handlebar position should have your shoulders and back in a neutral position to reduce the strain on your neck and lower back on long rides. For most people, this means approximately a 90-degree or less angle between their arms and upper back when looking forward up the road. To set this up when unfolding your bike, lift the bars to a comfortable height, sit on the saddle and turn the handlebars. You should be able to turn the bars to 45 degrees without moving your upper back. Finally, adjust your handlebar position. The handlebars on your folding bike can usually be adjusted by rotating them forward or backward, changing the upsweep and backsweep of the bar relative to your hands. All handlebars have some amount of upsweep and backsweep to match the natural angle of human wrists. The key here is ensuring that you have your bar clamped down in a position that is comfortable and natural feeling, with your brake and shift levers easily accessible. From a seated position, your brake lever should angle slightly downward so that you can rest your fingers on top of the levers comfortably. And that's it! Once you have your seat, stem and handlebars adjusted, you're ready to go ride. Thanks for watching. This has been Derek with Live to Play Sports, connecting people with cycling.